What are we doing?
Harvesting blueberries.
And what are you gonna do with those blueberries?
Eat them.
Eat them? How about a smoothie? Keep picking.
It will be yummy in your smoothie. Yummy in your tummy.
Remember we talked about having your blueberries in containers, where when it's time to.
A little drink right now, so we're doing a video.
Yeah. So when it's time to watch Zion, Lee. When it's time to harvest, you can actually bring your containers in the shade on these 90, what it feels like 100 degrees out here, and let your kids do a little harvesting.
Yeah.
Right? So that's the good thing about containers. Slide it off some for a bit.
I'm just gonna sit down on the floor. But we need to harvest these smoothies. Like he does with Mr. Joe.
Mm-hmm. Like Mr. Joe Blackberries?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You stay picking up under here, then I'll go outside and show them the difference between growing blueberries in containers as opposed to growing them in the ground.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
1 second, that'll be right back. So, this is Bells out in the hot sun harvesting blueberries while Fiona is under the shade, all nice and cool and not sweating. Also, I'm surprised to see that the way we've been harvesting these blueberries is that they're not ripening all at once, which I'm sure is what would make the birds go crazy. But the fact that they're they're ripening maybe 10 or 20 at a time, and Bev is able to come out and just pick off just the ones that are totally ripe, which is cool. As you can see with this bush here, and they're ripening, but let's look at if I can bring you here. It's only one that's really totally ripe, which they can see. So that's a cool thing. So we're able to eat blueberry mouth. So we're able to eat and make us a little smoothie in the middle of a hot day. So I just wanted to show y'all that because I know we did that blueberry versus container, like in-ground versus container video. So that was something that I really wanted to show you all. It's just another reason maybe to grow in containers as opposed to in the heat. But if you want to wait until in the afternoon or early in the morning, then this really doesn't matter. But 12 o'clock, it does matter. So let's go back and catch out Fiona and see what she's doing under there. All right, so it's our last little section of blueberries. Ooh, some nice ones. You got too many in your hand.
I know that.
You know that?
Yeah.
Why you didn't bring the thing? Bring the canister, Belle. Don't eat them, Zion. You gotta make smoothie, boy.
He just can't wait.
Get those ones you dropped on the ground.
Okay.
So, good job. Oh, look some more, Lee.
Where?
Look how fat. Oh, let me take a picture of that.
This?
Huh? I want to take a picture of you holding this. 1 second.
So so Fiona and me finished harvesting that blueberry. So this is what we have picked today.
Can I get a better look at that, Lee? Can you bring that so I can get a better look at it?
Mommy. Mommy.
Come around that way.
This way?
Right around there. Let everybody get a good look at these blueberries. So that's a good amount. How much that cost at the store? About
$3.89.
It's about $4.99. Yeah,
for
something like that.
So we didn't,
small box.
we
For a
don't
small
need to
one,
buy no more.
Nope. All right, bring it back to Mama. So Mama's gonna teach us how she makes her blueberry smoothies that we love.
So and then we still had some of the blackberry that we got from
From the
our neighbors
Yeah.
yard that we picked the other day. And we got the banana that we freeze, like got from the block store, like the Shoppers Value.
Save a lot.
Oh, Save a Lot.
It's like 19 cents a pound for those.
And then this is the strawberry that he bought from Fresh Pickens for $1.
Yeah, 99 cents a carton. That's
So-
when they went on sale. We would have gotten a lot more, but
We don't have no
we don't have
space.
any more space in our freezer. Either we got 2 freezers, so and we're out of space with our fruits.
Alright. So I'm just gonna put in the strawberry first because this need the one to break in first. So I'm just gonna put this just for one serving, like about 8 or 9 pieces of strawberry, banana.
Sounds good.
This 2 bananas.
Sounds good. Yum yum yum.
And we're gonna put the blackberry. Then lastly will be the blueberry. So
And-
berries.
Yeah, berries.
And
Say, let me
banana.
do something, woman.
Oh, here you go. Don't put all of it.
She being a chef.
Here you
She
go.
busy explaining. So let me stop and get a nice picture of what that smoothie looks like. And we'll be right back in a second. And action.
Alright, so we're gonna put a little water on it so it don't, to break the whole thing down. Just a little. Alright, now
Add a little bit of water.
we're gonna put the top back. And then here we go. Blend it in.
Let me get in a little closer on that. Fiona, you want to press? Can you reach it? Let me see if you can reach it. See if even a kid can do it. Got a little fly flying around. Looks good to me.
Let's check. Here we go.
Nice and clean. Nice and clean. So we didn't have to go to Smoothie King for this one.
This
Let's pour
berry.
some in our glass. See what it looks like.
So I can taste it.
Wow.
I want to taste some. Can I taste some of that? Come on.
Beautiful.
You got a berry.
Now maybe, how about how they do on
Oh, like little toppings.
how does that look, Lee?
It's beautiful.
No. Say, oh no, you gonna mess it up.
You like blackberry on your smoothie though?
All right, go ahead and try some.
Yeah.
I bet you're gonna try it anyway. I bet you're gonna drink it anyway.
Let's try and try. Cyan! Blueberry, black, come on. Taste. I will taste.
Look at that green thing. A green thing. Look at that green thing.
You can go get a couple mints, huh?
They try.
And the Joker wins.
Yeah, thumbs up.
So let's go ahead and get this up into some other cups, and then we'll be right back in a second.
Yay.
Fiona.
That's
I'm
my cup.
Not these. I don't like it. I'm gonna go get that one like that.
No, you can have some of that. My daddy. Zion.
So let's see how fast. Now what I liked about this smoothie is that because we have everything frozen besides the blueberries, and if we had a lot of those, we would have those frozen as well. So she was just having to add just water, right? So she didn't need to add the ice because everything else was already frozen. So that's a good way to get more of those fruits in. As time goes on, we'll add some green smoothies in with the kale and with the celery, and that way for your children.
And moringa.
Yeah.
We'll try the moringa.
Yeah, and your kids will never taste it because it's so much fruits in there and it's so sweet that by adding and powdering and drying or juicing your greens to add in there, they'll never even taste it.
Mama.
Zion is coming.
You gotta
Give
wait.
it to her. Give it to him.
He won this one.
Give it to Miss Cool. Alright, so thank y'all for watching our Blueberry Harvest Garden to Table series.
Yeah.
What you about to go do? You gotta go right here. You gotta go by my man say it. Go by my man say it. Alright, so thank y'all for watching our Blueberry Harvest Garden to Table video where we came in with our blueberry smoothies today. Blueberry, banana, and strawberry. And Fiona, take it away.
Blackberry.
What?
What you want to say?
Say what I just said.
Say it again. Say, smash that like button.
Smash that like button.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to our video.
There you go. And we out. Peace
Peace
and
out.
quiet. And
Grow, grow, grow.
grow, grow, grow.
Bam.